I earn a small fee when you use the services I recommend. No extra cost to you, but it helps keep the content flowing. I choose them because they are the industry topper and you will get the best services from them. Investing in real estate can be exciting. The thrill of finding the perfect property, the anticipation of closing the deal, and the joy of seeing your investment grow over time. It's a journey filled with potential and promise. You're not just building wealth, you're creating something lasting, something that can be passed down through generations. Real estate is more than just a financial investment. It's a way to secure your future and provide stability for your loved ones. But like any investment, it comes with risks. The market can be unpredictable, and unforeseen issues can arise. It's important to be aware of these risks and take steps to mitigate them. That's where an LLC comes in. An LLC, or limited liability company, offers a layer of protection that can be crucial for real estate investors. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a business structure that can protect your personal assets from business liabilities. Check out the link in the description box below. Think of it as a protective shield for your personal assets. This shield can safeguard your personal savings, your car, and even your home from business-related risks. Without an LLC, you're personally liable for business debts. This means that if your rental property encounters financial trouble or legal issues, your personal assets could be at risk. That means if your rental property has trouble and you get sued, your personal savings, car, even your home could be at risk. The consequences can be severe and far-reaching. An LLC creates a separate legal entity for your business. This separation is crucial because it means that your personal assets are not directly tied to your business liabilities. It's like building a fence between your personal and business finances. This fence ensures that your personal wealth is protected, even if your business faces challenges. By setting up an LLC, you can invest in real estate with greater peace of mind, knowing that your personal assets are shielded from potential risks. This structure not only provides legal protection, but also offers tax benefits and operational flexibility, making it an ideal choice for real estate investors looking to safeguard their dreams and secure their financial future. Every business needs a name, and your LLC is no exception. This is how you'll be known in the real estate world. Choose a name that reflects your brand and is memorable. Most states require you to include LLC or limited liability company in the name. Once you have a few favorites, check if they're available in your state. You can usually do this online through your Secretary of State's website. Make sure the web address is also available if you plan to have a website. Every LLC needs a registered agent. This is the person or company who receives official mail on behalf of your LLC. Think of them as your business's mailbox. They'll receive important documents like tax forms and legal notices. You can be your own registered agent, but many people choose a service provider. This ensures someone is always available to receive mail during business hours, even if you're busy with other things. Articles of organization are like your LLC's birth certificate. They officially create your LLC in the eyes of the state. This document outlines basic information about your business, like your LLC's name, address, and the purpose of your business. Each state has its own requirements and fees for filing articles of organization. You can usually find this information on your Secretary of State's website. Some states even allow you to file online, making the process even easier. Bizee, your partner in LLC formation. Forming an LLC can seem overwhelming with all the paperwork and legal jargon. That's where Bizee comes in. Bizee is a trusted online platform that simplifies the LLC formation process. Check out the link in the description box below. Bizee guides you step by step, ensuring you complete all the necessary paperwork correctly. They'll even file your articles of organization with the state on your behalf. This saves you time and headaches so you can focus on what matters most: building your real estate portfolio. Getting your EIN, your business tax ID. An EIN, or employer identification number, is like a social security number for your business. You'll need an EIN to open a bank account, file taxes, and hire employees for your real estate business. Even if you're a one-person show right now, it's a good idea to get an EIN. It helps establish your business's credibility and separates your personal and business finances, which is crucial for liability protection. Bizee, simplifying your EIN application. Just like with LLC Formation, Bizee can help you obtain your EIN quickly and easily. They offer a streamlined application process that ensures you provide the IRS with all the necessary information. By using Bizee for your EIN application, you can avoid common errors and delays. They'll even submit the application to the IRS electronically, often resulting in faster processing times. Operating agreement, setting the rules. An operating agreement is like a rule book for your LLC. It outlines how your business will be managed, how profits and losses will be distributed, and what happens if someone wants to leave the LLC. Even if you're the only member of your LLC, it's a good idea to have an operating agreement. It demonstrates to the state that you're running a legitimate business and helps solidify the legal separation between you and your LLC. The benefits of an LLC for real estate. Forming an LLC offers numerous benefits for real estate investors. It's a strategic move that can significantly impact your business's success and sustainability. First and foremost, it provides liability protection, safeguarding your personal assets from business debts and lawsuits. This means that if your real estate venture faces legal challenges or financial difficulties, your personal savings, home, and other personal assets remain protected. This peace of mind is invaluable as you grow your real estate portfolio. Knowing that your personal assets are shielded allows you to take calculated risks and expand your investments with confidence. Additionally, an LLC can offer tax advantages. By choosing the right tax classification, you can optimize your tax situation. You can choose to be taxed as a sole proprietorship or a partnership, potentially lowering your tax burden. This flexibility allows you to select the tax structure that best fits your financial goals and business model. LLCs also offer flexibility in how you structure your business and manage your investments. You can tailor your LLC's operating agreement to suit your specific needs, whether you're working alone or with partners. This adaptability is crucial in the ever-changing real estate market. It allows you to pivot and adjust your strategies as needed, ensuring long-term success. In summary, forming an LLC for your real estate investments provides liability protection, tax advantages, and operational flexibility. These benefits can help you build a robust and resilient real estate business. As you continue to grow and diversify your portfolio, an LLC can be a valuable tool in achieving your financial and business goals. Consider consulting with a legal or financial advisor to explore how an LLC can benefit your specific situation. With the right structure in place, you can focus on what you do best: finding and managing great real estate investments. Congratulations on launching your LLC. You've taken a significant step towards protecting your real estate investments and building a successful business. Forming an LLC may seem like a lot of work up front, but the long-term benefits far outweigh the initial effort. Remember, you don't have to navigate this process alone. Utilize resources like Bizee to simplify the LLC formation and EIN application processes. Their expertise and user-friendly platforms make it easy to stay organized and compliant. Go forth and invest wisely. Now that you have the legal foundation in place, you are ready to embark on the next phase of your real estate journey. This is where the real excitement begins. It's time to focus on what you do best: finding and investing in profitable real estate. The market is full of opportunities, and with the right approach, you can identify properties that will yield significant returns. With the protection and credibility of an LLC, you have a solid foundation to build upon. This structure not only safeguards your personal assets, but also enhances your professional image, making it easier to attract partners and investors. You can confidently pursue your real estate goals knowing that your personal assets are secure. This peace of mind allows you to take calculated risks and make bold moves in the market. Remember to consult with a legal and tax professional regularly. Their expertise is invaluable in navigating the complexities of real estate transactions and ensuring compliance with all regulations. To ensure you're making the best decisions for your specific circumstances, it's crucial to stay informed and seek advice from trusted advisors. They can help you understand the financial implications of your investments and guide you in optimizing your portfolio. Here's to your success in the exciting world of real estate investing. May your ventures be prosperous, your risks calculated, and your rewards plentiful. Cheers to a future filled with growth and achievement in the real estate market. And hey, when you're ready to level up your business and make it official, check out Bizee for all your LLC and EIN needs. They make the process seamless and affordable, so you can focus on what really matters, building your empire. The future is yours for the taking, so get out there and crush it. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of this business, hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos for even more tips, strategies, and inspiration. Let's make those dreams a reality, one hustle at a time.